Cities owe it all to the roads. Beit Nur, a shrine now a simple yet pleasing house, back then hosted the lady. Although every single inch of the city had longed to welcome her. It was a brief stay for the lady. She was buried in a garden near Qom. The land then refreshed, flourished again, and heading to her holy shrine, slowly embraced such a gemstone. The city felt proud, grew and revolved around the dome of gold. And here's called Haram, attached to the hearts of the city's people. As the clouds move around the minarets, tears well up in their eyes and come here when something breaks their heart.